understand dialogues or comprehend dialogues involving up to 3 people and monologues in normal conversational phase in both academic and social contexts. Participate in conversations about daily life in both campus and home, about academic topics and life. Critically read passages, write accurate, well-organized essay, handle and or solve academic and social cultural problems effectively. So you see here that they are actually general statements of the intention of the program, okay? Now, then how about the contents and how they are organized? So in this case, we use multi-dimensional syllabus. So we use situation, topic, language skills and functions, grammar, vocabulary, study skill, or 6 C's of 21st century skills, Industrial Revolution 4.0 skills, and also culture. You know, you don't have to put culture, but if, you know, it depends on your need actually. And you add more columns here. So for example, situations, you know, this one is English for academic purposes for lecturers who are going to study abroad. So lecturers or whoever who are going to study abroad for master's or PhD degree, they need to attend pre-departure training of English for specific purposes. And for example, unit 1 is attending the academic orientation, you know, the situation. And then unit 2, attending the first lecture on the first class. Third, attending regular lectures. Then participating in class discussions. Participating in class presentations in the library. So, you know, the situation of or context of communication is specified first. And then the topic. So the topic for attending the academic orientation is campus facilities and services. And then for attending the first lecture, academic ethics. So, you know, in the first meeting of your class, usually you talk about academic ethics, or possibly talking about the syllabus and so on, right? And then attending regular lectures, and then the topic is sports, and so on and so on. Education, health, economics, you know. Look, what we mean by topics are things like this. So, for example, you cannot say descriptive text is a topic. No, descriptive text is not a topic. Okay, so topics are like, you know, campus facilities and services, academic ethics, sports, education, health, economics, or topic or theme. I think, you know, education is a theme, not a topic. So I think it's good to say theme or topic, up to you. And then the language skills or functions. If you teach listening, speaking, reading, writing, then you need to specify the focus of listening, speaking, reading, writing in that class or in that unit. For example, this one, listening to information, or listening for information, asking for repetition, okay? And then reading for specific or detailed information, and also in the 3 parts of essay. Or you may specify the text type that you want to teach in every unit or every chapter, okay? So there are 2 ways that you can do here. You may specify the text or language function that you are going to teach, or you specify the skills, the sub skills that you want to teach. But for you, which is easier, you specify the text type and or language functions that you are going to teach. So, for example, in listening, you want to teach asking for repetition, for example, and then for speaking, asking for direction, and then reading maps, or for example. Okay, and then the grammar, you specify the grammar, which is relevant to the text type and or language function that you teach. That vocabulary, also the words related to the topic actually, and then study skills. This one is accessing campus services. This one is actually study skill. Culture, tips for daily life on campus or in the city, because they are going to study abroad. So they need to understand culture there, culture in the targeted country. But you don't have to put this one, okay? So now you work in your groups doing this, specifying the contents in line with the aims of your program. And again, regarding language skills, you may focus on the focus of your program. If your program only focuses on reading and writing, then you just write reading and writing. If your program covers all the 4 skills, then you need to also include all the 4 skills actually. Okay. Well, actually,